How to cancel recurring Zelle payments in Chase account. First thing first, you're going to have to go ahead and open up your Zelle app. So I'm going to show you guys from the official Chase website. So what they are saying is you first need to go ahead and sign into your Chase Bank or Chase app. And after signing in, you'll have to choose the account of the card that you want to show details of. Then you can just go ahead and click on show details on any of the card like this. And after you've done that, you'll get an option to manage right next to automatic payments. Then you're just going to have to tap on edit on the top right corner. And after that, you can change the amount, the pay from account, or turn off the automatic payments directly. Once you've made your changes, you're just going to have to tap on done and confirm your choices. Finally, you can tap on update automatic payments and you should be good to go. You could also check it out on the official Chase's website. So you could just watch this video here and they have clearly explained how you could do it. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.